available for rehabilitation of slums. Major lakes and rivers are still not polluted. Private operators can be involved for BOT model for development of water bodies, treatment of water and supply of fresh water. As far as weakness is concerned, we have slum pockets located near water body or river. You can see this Kalyan Nagar slum or slum which is near Gotri Lake. Treatment of wastewater is not 100% because population is increasing day by day. Wastewater is increasing and we are planning for resource base. Whatever money we have, we are planned for. So what is happening? We are always short of the treatment of total waste generated. So it is not 100%. No reuse of wastewater for any purpose. At present, we don't reuse. Now, corporation has presently planned for reusing of wastewater, but still it is not late. And sorry. Even there is no attempt, or I can say very poor attempt for misuse of water. There is no penalty for overutilization of water in the city. Unaccounted losses are 30%. Actually, as per standard, CPHEO standard, it should be 15%. No beautification of lake program is there. Then local government itself is dumping waste in the water courses and no provisions at planning level. These are all weakness of us. We have still opportunities. Demand is increasing at the rate of 3%. That is, water demand is increasing at the rate of 3% because our population is increasing by 30% per decade. So, very good business opportunities there. If somebody is treating the water and supplying fresh water. And technological options are also available for treatment of water. Now, what has happened? What is the threat? We are consuming water and the consumption of water is increasing day by day. Water sources are dilapidating. The journey we started from wells to Ajwa Lake, then we reached to Maisagar, and now we have approached Narmada. If Narmada water will be polluted, where we will go? We have seen already the picture that Yamuna and Ganga is already polluted. If Narmada will be polluted, where we will go? So what next is a question for us. And there is a threat that people will not easily accept the treated water for their use. So what are the missing links in the development plan we have observed is there was a natural interlinkages between all lakes in Vadodara, but somehow these links are not incorporated in the development plan, or these links are missing. Then even in present development plan, they have forgotten to show the Vadodara lake. The development plan is silent about river pollution. No provisions for preventing discharge of waste, either solid or liquid, in the river, and no financial provision they have made. Actually, we are always planning for new projects, but we are totally ignoring for funding, for allocation of funding for treatment of wastewater. So how to overcome the issues? We can have short term and long term. Some issues we can solve in long run, but in short term, at least we should make some provision that compulsory rainwater is to be stored at society level. Seva has already given statistics on that. Prevent misuse of water by providing water meters, and the charge of amount is to be as under. Like say, people are using 80 liters per capita per day, they are supposed to charge 50%. But if they are overutilizing, that is from more than 135 LPCD, then they are supposed to be charged 150%. Then stop discharging sewage in the river. That can be done. Develop hawking zones on BOT basis. Stop conversion of hard surfaces. Actually, now in our city, on 80-20%, we have converted all society roads that into RCC roads. It will create a lot of problem because lot of soil erosion will take place and the carrying capacity of Vishwamitra will be definitely, it will be flooding because it has a limitation of carrying the water, and if runoff will increase, that will definitely create problem. Sorry. Then low-lying areas are to be discouraged for habitation. Actually, we have Vishwamitra that is flowing from north to south. We have a lot of low-lying areas which are not supposed to be used for habitation. Solid waste disposal, it should be created, it should be carried out on scientific manner. Ultimately, in long term, beautification of water bodies and river is required, make the city slum-free. We have enough land, we can create enough land by TP schemes. Hawking activities are, we have studied that hawking activities in the city, they are paying 100 rupees or 200 rupees daily to policemen and politicians. So if it is developed on BOT basis, definitely that is viable, and one of our students has carried out study on that. So this can be good solution because hawkers are also dumping lot of waste in the river and they are polluting. The unaccounted losses, today it is 30%. We are losing 30% of water, fresh water. So that unaccounted loss is required to be reduced by 15%. Thank you.